As of Generation 2, the G-Series, the six-cylinder turbocharged rear engine, has been the ultimate of every model series. A true super sports car. The driver is at the wheel of the then fastest production car in the world. Distinctive features, a large spoiler and the turbo logo at the rear, internally referred to as the 930. The first turbo comes with a boost pressure-controlled exhaust turbocharger. As soon as it enters the loading area, a veritable storm breaks loose. The 3.0-liter Boxer's feisty power delivery calls for an experienced hand. After 3 years of construction, and thanks to intercooling, the turbo reappears with a power increase of 40 horsepower. A world first for a series production vehicle.